All right, so I'm going to try and give you just a short little tutorial of how to navigate Google Classroom. If you look at my screen right now, you can see that my Google is opened up and it's on me, and there's my little icon. Well, I'm going to switch to Noah because I've created him as a student in our classroom just so I could test out with him. So what I need to do, first of all, is I need to click on here and I need to switch to Noah. I already have his email set up through GCA, so I'm just going to switch on to him. I don't have to sign back on because I already have him logged on, and that should happen once you have your email established, okay? If you look up here, we have like this little grid. Some people call it the waffle. If you click on that, it opens up all your Google apps, and you can see that you have an app for Google Classroom. If you click on that, that should take you straight to Google Classroom. Now, this is Noah's, so he has a few more classes. Well, obviously, you should just have Mrs. Plowman's kindergarten. You may end up having physical education at some point, but right now you should just have the kindergarten one. So you'll click on that. And if you look at the top, you have three options. You have stream, classwork, and people. So the stream is just this first page, and you can share something with your class. You can say, you know, hello everyone, whatever you want to do, and you can post that and it will show up and then everybody else can read that. If you don't want to, if you type something you don't like, you can get rid of it by just putting delete and then I'll take it off. So since Noah's not really in our class, he doesn't really need to post to us. The other option you have up here is called classwork, and this is where all your assignments are listed. I've gone through and I've done it by week. I thought that might be the easiest for us. So you have morning work, Bible, phonics, math, science and social studies are together, reader's workshop, and writer's workshop. And if you just click on one, let's go ahead and go to phonics. I'm going to click on that, and you can just see I've given you a description. You'll see this description every single week, and it will be basically the same thing. But then you can view your assignments. And on your assignments, it's all listed, what you do on Monday, what you do on Tuesday, what you do on Wednesday, Thursday, and of course Friday. And then down at the bottom are a bunch of videos that you can watch, and they correspond with your assignment for different days. So for example, on Wednesday, we're going to work on our sight words. So you could watch the sight word video, and then after that, you could do the OWL video, and you could also do the OWL worksheet with that. So that's basically all there is to this. And you can just go back out of this by going to Mrs. Plowman's kindergarten, and again, you can go into the stream where you'll see stuff from me. I'll post things occasionally here, classwork, and then the last option is people. Okay, so in the people just list who's in our class and then the teachers. So you can see that this is being shared with Mrs. Cross and Miss Souders. Okay, so hopefully that explains what you need to do. If you ever have any questions, be sure to ask.